Dermatology is really an important field of medicine. A lot of people think dermatology is comprised of doctors doing Botox and doing fillers, laser procedures, but it's a lot more than that. Skin is really important. It's the largest organ in our body. There are a lot of health concerns that go along with the skin. Sometimes people don't know who to go to address those issues, but the dermatologist would be the appropriate person. The reason I started this practice is I just wanted to build a practice that really put patients first. All my decision making is solely based on what's best for my patients.
I feel as though she is marvelous in detecting when there's a problem that needs to be solved. It's just part of her to help other people. She has a special gift.
Dr. Wang and her interaction with patients is very kind and genuine, and she really takes the time to get to know each individual and treats them as a person and not as just a number or a statistic. But seeing how she is very knowledgeable also gives you great confidence. And for me, being a staff member and part of her team, it makes me more confident and it makes me want to work harder to also give the patients the same sort of customer satisfaction.
I never had a derm checkup. I've got pale skin, and my whole life had felt like there was never a need to see a dermatologist. I found Dr. Wang, and she saw me within the next week. What proceeded to be a routine body scan turned out to be something quite different. And it turned out to be a phone call from her within a week letting me know that I had malignant melanoma. And so I owe her my life.
I've noticed Dr. Wang's patients form a relationship with her since the first week I was here. Some of their comments were like, I'm so glad I finally found someone. I've been dealing with this problem for a year and no one's figured it out. And we had patients get very emotional because she really listened to them and really addressed it, gave them a diagnosis, and then gave them a way to control or deal with their issues.
You can tell her any problems you have, and she always has the answer for it. You know, anytime I've gone to her, I get well right away because she knows exactly what she's doing. So I feel comfortable with her as a person and also professionally.
The thing that drives me the most is just building long-lasting relationships with my patients and forming a connection with them, trying to figure out why they're in my office beyond what's on their skin. A lot of times people will come in with a skin lesion they're worried about, and maybe the main reason they're really worried about it is because their family member died of melanoma or their family member had cancer. And so I think it's really important to me as a dermatologist is to be a good doctor. And to me that means treating the patient as a whole person and not just looking at their skin. What separates Alta Dermatology from other dermatology practices is we offer same-day appointments. So if you feel like you need to be seen immediately, please give our office a call and we'd be happy to accommodate you.